What if I told you that you only need 7 core exercises to completely transform your physique? Sounds unbelievable, right? But sticking to these movements can make you look and feel stronger than you've ever been. The truth is, around 80% of men spend countless hours in the gym doing exercises that barely make a real difference. I didn't buy it at first either, but your body truly needs just 7 fundamental movement patterns to pack on serious size and build real-world strength. Ignore these, and no matter how long you grind in the gym, your results will always fall short. So let's jump straight in. Exercise 1, the barbell squat. Have you ever noticed how many guys walk around with big upper bodies but surprisingly underdeveloped legs? It's because most people train only the muscles they can see in the mirror, while neglecting the lower body, the base that supports everything else. The barbell squat is far more than a typical leg workout. It's the single most effective full-body strength builder you can do. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but they also stimulate your entire body to grow. They trigger a powerful hormonal response, specifically increases in testosterone and growth hormone that encourage muscle growth from head to toe. Research even shows that full, deep squats lead to significantly greater strength and muscle gains compared to half reps. So if you've been doing partial squats, you're only giving yourself half the results. Squat strength also plays a huge role in how well you move in everyday life. Carrying groceries, lifting heavy objects, climbing stairs, and even staying mobile as you get older all become easier when your squat is strong. How to do the barbell squat properly. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Rest the bar across your upper back, never on your neck. Keep your chest lifted and your core braced. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel with the ground. Drive through your heels to return to standing. Keep your spine neutral and avoid rounding your back. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps on heavier training days and 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps on lighter days. Try to squat twice a week for the best results.
But as impressive as squats are for building huge, powerful legs, the next movement is going to transform your entire backside like nothing else. Exercise 2, the deadlift. Most people assume you need dozens of exercises to build a strong, muscular body, but there's one movement that works more total muscle than almost anything else, the deadlift. This isn't just a gym exercise, it's a pure strength test that reveals how powerful your body truly is. The deadlift targets your entire posterior chain, your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, upper back, and even your grip. While others spend hours working on beach muscles, the deadlift builds the thick, functional strength that actually makes life easier, lifting heavy objects, staying explosive, and keeping your body stable. A lot of old research claimed deadlifts were dangerous, but those studies used outdated form and poor technique. Modern sports science now shows that when performed correctly, deadlifts actually strengthen your spine, connective tissues, and stabilizing muscles, reducing injury risk instead of increasing it. Deadlifts are also proven to elevate natural testosterone levels, which supports total body muscle growth and helps maintain strength as you get older, especially because the posterior chain is often the first area to weaken due to sitting too much. How to perform the deadlift correctly. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, positioning the bar over the middle of your feet. Bend your hips and knees to grip the bar with your hands about shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back flat. Push through your heels and stand tall while keeping the bar close to your shins and thighs. Lower it with control by hinging at your hips first. Perform 3 sets of 3 to 8 reps once per week. Going beyond 8 reps with heavy weight can cause your form to break down, especially as you begin lifting heavier loads. Now get ready, because the next exercise is going to help you build a back so wide and thick that your shirts might start feeling tighter. Exercise 3, the barbell row. Have you ever seen men with decent chest and arm development, but when they turn around, their backs look undertrained and flat? This is because many people skip heavy rowing movements, which are essential for creating balance, posture, and a strong muscular upper body. The reason so many men never develop a truly powerful looking back is simple.
The most important back-building movement is also one of the most ignored. The barbell row isn't just another pulling exercise, it's the backbone of real upper body density and strength. This timeless lift targets your entire back, the lats, traps, rhomboids, and all the deep supporting muscles that create that wide V shape and thick, solid upper body. What makes the barbell row so incredibly effective is that it trains your back through natural, real-life pulling mechanics. Unlike machines that lock you into a fixed range of motion, the barbell row teaches your body how to generate strength in a way that translates directly to everyday tasks, lifting heavy items, maintaining strong posture, and moving with power even as you get older. Strong rows help keep your back tall and your posture confident at an age when many men start rounding forward and losing strength. This is the exercise that gives you that strong, upright presence. Whether you're speaking in a meeting, walking into a room, or simply standing around family and friends. How to perform the barbell row correctly. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Hinge forward at the hips until your torso is around a 45-degree angle. Keep your back flat and your core braced. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull the bar toward your lower chest or upper abdomen. Squeeze your shoulder blades hard at the top of the rep. Lower the bar smoothly and under control. Do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps once or twice a week. Prioritize correct form and controlled movement instead of jerking the weight up. Swinging the bar not only makes the exercise less effective, but also increases your risk of injury.
Next up is the movement that restores the pushing power most men gradually lose as they get older. Exercise 4, the bench press. Most people don't realize this, but the average man loses nearly 30% of his upper body strength between ages 40 and 60 if he isn't consistently training. And there's one exercise proven to slow or even reverse this decline better than anything else. The bench press isn't just a basic chest workout. It's the classic benchmark for upper body power. Research from 2014 confirmed what experienced lifters have known for decades. The stronger your bench press, the larger and more developed your chest tends to be. But the bench press doesn't only target your chest, it develops your shoulders and triceps too, building a coordinated pushing strength that translates directly to real-life situations. This is the type of strength you need when you're pushing a heavy object, helping someone move furniture, or staying physically capable when playing around with your kids. As men age, pushing strength tends to fade first, which is why many older men have that frail, collapsed look in the upper body. The bench press is one of the best ways to prevent that from happening. How to do the bench press correctly. Lie flat on the bench with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Grip the bar a little wider than shoulder width. Unrack the bar and hold it steady above your chest. Lower it under control to the mid-chest area. Press the bar back up in a gentle arc, slightly toward your shoulders. Keep your shoulder blades pulled back the entire time. Stick to 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, training it 1 to 3 times per week. Unlike heavy squats or deadlifts, the bench press can be safely trained across a wider rep range, so you can switch between heavier and lighter sessions. But if you want shoulders that make your entire upper body look stronger and more balanced, the next movement is absolutely essential. Exercise 5, the overhead press. Many lifters have spent years being told that the bench press is the key to upper body strength. And while it is important, relying on it alone is exactly why so many men end up with flat, underdeveloped shoulders and slouched posture. The overhead press is far more than a simple shoulder exercise. It's a forgotten pillar of upper body development. It builds broad, rounded shoulders while strengthening the triceps and engaging the core in a way few other exercises can. This movement forces your body into proper alignment and posture, making you stronger, more stable, and more athletic. What sets the overhead press apart is how it trains the shoulders through multiple angles while also demanding support from your upper back and midsection. It's one of the purest and most functional tests of real shoulder strength. Unlike lateral raises and other isolated shoulder movements, the overhead press builds real, usable shoulder strength that shows up in everyday activities. Strong, well-developed shoulders instantly improve the way you look in any type of clothing, from casual t-shirts to fitted dress shirts. They're also one of the key features that maintain a noticeable athletic V shape, which naturally becomes harder to preserve as you get older. Research confirms that the standing overhead press activates all three heads of the deltoid, making it one of the most efficient full shoulder builders you can perform. How to perform the overhead press. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Grip the barbell at roughly shoulder width. Start with the bar resting at your upper chest or collarbone. Brace your core and keep your chest lifted. Press the bar directly overhead until your arms are fully locked out. Lower the bar slowly and under control to your starting position. For best results, perform 3 sets of 5 to 6 reps on heavy days and 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps on lighter days. Training your shoulders twice a week helps maximize growth and strength. Up next is the movement that brings balance to your lower body training and protects you from muscular imbalances. Exercise 6. Lunges. Most people don't realize this, but many workout routines completely ignore an entire dimension of human movement. We squat up and down in one plane, but real life requires stepping, stabilizing, and moving in different directions. That's where lunges come in. Lunges are much more than another leg day drill. They develop balanced, athletic lower body strength that squats alone can't provide. While squats are ideal for building overall mass, lunges strengthen each leg individually, improving stability and coordination. They also help prevent the imbalances that naturally develop over years of favoring one side of your body, something that becomes even more important as you age. The secret to lunges is control. You begin with a solid stance, step forward with intention, and lower yourself with balance and precision. Your stabilizing muscles are firing non-stop to keep your body aligned. Rushing through reps completely removes the benefits. Even some studies show that lunges can activate the quads more intensely than barbell squats in certain scenarios. Because they're unilateral, lunges also correct strength discrepancies that, left unaddressed, often lead to injuries. How to perform lunges correctly. Stand upright with feet about hip width apart. Step forward 2 to 3 feet in a controlled motion. Lower your body until both knees bend to around 90 degrees. Keep your front knee aligned over your foot, don't let it shoot past your toes. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to standing. Alternate legs each rep and maintain an upright torso throughout. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg, 1 or 2 times per week. Adjust your stride depending on what muscles you want to emphasize. Longer strides equal more hamstring and glute activation. Shorter strides equal more quad focus. Now for the final piece, the exercise that ties everything together by building grip strength, posture, and whole body stability. Exercise 7. Farmer's walk. Lifting weights is important, but true functional strength isn't just about how much you can lift once. It's about how well you can carry and control weight. In everyday life, you don't simply pick things up, you walk with them, stabilize them, and keep your body aligned under load. The farmer's walk is far more than a simple carry. It's the missing link that turns your gym strength into practical, real-world capability. This powerful exercise targets your grip, traps, core, and stabilizing muscles. It teaches your body how to stay tall, strong, and balanced while moving with weight. Studies show that grip strength is one of the strongest indicators of overall health and long-term physical capability. Higher grip strength is associated with reduced injury risk, better stability, and even improved longevity. Farmer's walks also help fix the rounded posture caused by years of sitting, typing, and looking down at screens. How to perform the farmer's walk. Stand between 2 heavy dumbbells, kettlebells, or a loaded trap bar. Bend your hips and knees to grab the weights. Stand up tall with your shoulders back and chest lifted. Walk forward using controlled, steady steps. Keep your core tight and your posture strong the entire time. Walk for a set distance or duration.
Lower the weights with control when finished. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 25 to 50 yards with challenging weights, once or twice per week. Remember, you don't need marathon workouts or dozens of fancy exercises. Just 3 focused training sessions per week are enough to pack on noticeable size and strength using these 7 core movements. You don't need endless hours in the gym. What matters most is performing 3 to 4 quality sets of each exercise, keeping your reps slow, controlled, and precise instead of rushing through them. If you're a beginner, simply run this full routine 3 days a week, leaving a rest day between sessions to recover and grow. If you're already more experienced and want to push your progress even further, you can break the exercises into separate training days and work out 4 to 5 days per week. This allows you to hit each muscle group with more intention and accelerate your results. This program is much more than a random collection of gym movements. It's a complete strength-building blueprint designed to help you grow bigger, stronger, and more capable in every part of your life. These 7 exercises cover everything: upper body, lower body, posture, stability, and real-world strength, giving you all the tools you need to build a physique that not only looks impressive, but stays powerful and functional for years and decades to come. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.